Okay, so one of the wires has come off the 3-volt panel, and we're going to explore how to put it back on. First thing you want to do is take a little bit of solder, a soldering iron to the tip of this wire that's coming off, and add some more solder to it like that. Just let it seep in there and add some more solder to the wire. This is called tinning. It's prepping to reattach the wire to the panel. Next thing you want to do is take a utility knife or a snap blade and scrape away some of that silicone here that basically wasn't doing a very good job of holding the wire to the panel. We want to get down to where we can reattach the wire to the metal part on the panel. So just kind of scraping it away, peeling it off. Then we can see a little bit of solder there. We want to add some just to give it more to grab onto. Put a little more there, press it down. Get a solder smoke in your nose, blow it out, blow out. You shouldn't breathe it. Ideally, you're soldering in a ventilated space. Okay, so a little bit of solder there. Next thing we want to do is there's solder on both the wire and the panel. We want to put it down here. Careful not to touch the hot iron onto you. Melt it, lift, and let it cool. Then test the wire connection. It's attached, but a little bit flimsy. So what I'm going to do here is scrape off the silicone from the other side, since it's not doing much, and see if we can put a piece of electrical tape down to hold it down. So make sure that there's no bridging of wire or solder across the red and black terminals. So I've come back with some electrical tape, cut a piece off, and we're going to tape it down, put a little in between. And we'll add one more piece. To this part. Just trying to give it some strain relief so that when you move these wires, they're not going to be yanking on where they're attached to the panel. That should be a decent remedy for this situation. The wire is reattached, and if you clip it to the other panels, that should find that it's working now.